Hello, engineers. I am exploring the opportunities of engineers in different field or different roles in their work or function. And today I will be discussing about freelancers and their benefits being a digital coach. As you know, I am helping engineers to become a digital coach in their engineering expertise so that they can monetize their expertise. They can have a high income growth, happy living with a purpose in their life. As like any other area, engineers are working. Freelancing engineers also can become a digital coach, and there is a lot of benefits for those people. So by becoming a digital coach can offer freelancers several advantages in generating extra income and finding more clients like that. I'm going to give 10 benefits here. The first one is that supplementary income. Coaching can provide an additional stream of revenue for freelancer engineers, increasing their financial stability. Because compared to their freelancing work, digital coaching can provide them more stable income to them. This is a supplementary income. Then showcasing their expertise. Because coaching allows freelancer engineers to demonstrate their specialized skills and knowledge, making them more attractive to potential clients. So this is an opportunity to showcase their expertise. So freelancers can use digital coaching as a tool to showcase their expertise. This can help them to get more clients. And third one is networking. Coaches often connect with the professionals in various industries, increasing their chances of finding new clients or projects. So that also they can find better opportunities. They can find more opportunities by networking with the different people in the industries and in the related functions. The fourth one is portfolio diversifications. So coaching can diversify a freelancer's portfolio, demonstrating a range of skills and experiences that may attract a broader clientele base. Because the freelancers may be skillful to some related area also, or they may want to coach in some related area where they also expertise. So this is an opportunity for them to diversify a little bit to show their strength in that particular area also. Or if they want to build up in that area, they can also focus on that particular area, related areas of their expertise, and can make a major contribution. Then fifth point is that client trust. Because acting as a coach, you can build trust with the clients as it showcases the engineer's commitment to professional development and mentorship. So this is one way the client feel more comfortable, more trustworthy with you as a freelancer. Then sixth one is personal branding. Coaching can enhance the freelancer's personal brand, making them more recognizable and memorable in their field. So their image will be improved by becoming a digital coach. The people will start can see, it makes them more visible among other competitors. So it gives a personal branding. Then seventh one is market insights. Through coaching, engineers gain insight into market trends and clients' needs, enable them to be a better tailor-made services to potential clients. So the networking things can help them to gain a lot of informations that also have them a better market insights, and also to exactly know what's their customers' requirement and what is the latest trends in the market and what way we have to deliver their services. Then eighth one is problem solving skills. What is happening is that coaching hones an engineer's ability to identify and solve client challenges, which can be applied directly to the freelancer project also. Because teaching also calls for a lot of problems solving, because a lot of questions can be asked from the customers or the clients you are going coaching. So this same type of skills also you can use in your freelancing project also. The ninth one is lead generations. So it helps coaching can introduce freelancer engineers to professionals who may require their services, generating new clientele leads. So it's definitely more people, more prospects are ready to become a lead, and they will find the digital coaching to network and also to come as a customer to you. So more lead can be generated using this digital coaching. Then 10th one is that continuous learning, because as like any other, teacher or trainer, that learning is very important. That also continuous learning, that also in the technical areas, the technology is changing so fast. So a continuous learning make you to learn continuously, and engaging in coaching can keep freelancers to update with the industry developments and technologies, making them more competitive and appealing to the clients. That is very important, because knowledge enhancement will help them to be more capable to do that coaching business. So by becoming a digital coach, freelancer engineers can not only can create the extra income, but also can expand their professional network, enhance their marketability, and gain valuable insights to improve their freelancing business. So that is the way that the freelancers can get benefit from this business. If you are a freelancer, want to be a digital coach in engineering expertise, you please look at the description for the links. So thank you very much. Also, please subscribe to the channel to have more information regarding the engineer's growth. Thank you very much.